Hello everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Umbria. We are in an area considered the green heart of Italy thanks to its lush nature and calming atmosphere. Specifically in the Niccone Valley, considered among the most desired locations of all of this region. We are here to visit together a wonderful hamlet that has been restored and is set on a stunning position. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The location is truly excellent. We are on a reserved position, but at the same time just 5 kilometers to the closest town with the main services. 20 kilometers to Umbertide and 30 kilometers to the Trasimeno lake. The property externally is included within its about 1 hectare of external space, laid mostly on these beautiful wide terraces that let you enjoy all of this wonderful garden located on a sloped location with a stunning view. In terms of buildings, there are 4 main buildings that are used mostly as accommodation spaces and guest houses, with a total of 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms and 430 square meters in internal spaces. They are well laid out and spaced between each other in order to give each one their privacy and comfort. On the central terrace of the estate, we find this 10 by 5 meters swimming pool. It has been completely tiled with these light blue tiles and is positioned on a panoramic spot. I love how it is perfectly immersed in the garden through all of its paths and its aromatic plants and flowers. All around we find a stone paved area to sunbathe and enjoy the sun. On this side, right behind me, you see this roof with underneath a large and spacious, fully equipped kitchen for outdoor dining. It would be amazing to host a party here or a large aperitivo cocktail by the poolside. All of the buildings are connected by a spacious and well-made road, and all of them also have their outdoor patio with some has its outdoor kitchen and sunbathing area. The first one we're going to speak about is the one you see right behind me, 54 square meters with 1 bedroom and a bathroom. It has a spacious dining area, kitchen fully equipped, and a sitting space. On the ceiling we find some beautiful exposed beams, while other parts have been more modernized, together with the floors that are completely covered with wonderful wood boards. By the entrance, just a little way down, we find a very useful building. It is partly storage and partly a laundry area. On the lower part of the estate, on a reserved position, we have the second guest house. It is very cozy and contained. On this side, we find a full wall made as a window, so it feels as if you would be outside. Full of natural light, you can see the green, and it feels very cozy. In the hotter summer days, you can stay inside, air-conditioned, looking at the garden. As you walk in, you have the terracotta on the floor, very traditional. This main space, which is the entrance, the sitting space, and the kitchen over here. The kitchen is made with the same tiles that we find on the floor. We have a gas top over here, the sink, and the kitchen is fully equipped. On this side, let's have a look at the bedroom. The bedroom is just as spacious as the living area, terracotta floors and sloped ceilings. There is an ensuite bathroom, which also serves the living spaces. On the lowest part of the estate, we find some wonderful olive trees. They are about 50 and perfect to produce some extra virgin olive oil. Right beside, below the pool, we find the third building, nice and spacious, and half of it completely made out of glass. It is an art studio, and it is ideal made out of glass since from inside you can get inspiration from the nature outside. On the last part, in the end, it is being converted into a workshop. Let's now talk about the main farmhouse. It is 164 square meters with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, laid on 2 levels. Before we go inside, let me speak about the external space. There is a terrace that goes all the way around. It is among the most panoramic since we are on the higher parts of the estate. On that side that you see right behind me, we find a beautiful outdoor winter garden to enjoy the colder months outside. Right below the terrace, you find a wellness center, which is equipped with a spa area and with a large gym to enjoy a workout. Let's now talk about the backside of the villa. There is a parking area that is covered and it's outdoors right there, right behind the pizza oven to host beautiful parties on this side. While behind there is a garage. It can be easily accessed by this paved road that goes all the way around. Welcome inside the ground floor of the main farmhouse. It is laid on 2 levels. On this level right here, we find the main living spaces. This is a cozy reception room. You can enter the farmhouse from here or from a door lower down close to the kitchen. And right behind me, you find a cozy sitting area. The owner is an architect and he has restored the whole property. In fact, now I will show you a few pictures of what it was like before. It was a total ruin. So this is the main house, and I actually can't recognize which one of the buildings this is, but he has done an incredible job, truly. It is nice and cozy, and I love how the owner has mixed elements that are more modernized, like these dropped ceilings, together with traditional aspects like the exposed stone over here, the exposed wooden beams above the doors and windows. By the way, we are equipped with a working fireplace, which is ideal to warm up and make even cozier the winter days. Let's have a look on this side at the kitchen. Welcome inside the kitchen. It is completely built in with a terracotta top and these dark brown tiles all around, which are tone in tone with the terracotta. Fully equipped, and it goes all the way around. So it's not a flat kitchen on one wall, it's all the way around and very practical to work on. Through a few steps, we get to the first level of the farmhouse. By the way, there is an independent access that I mentioned earlier right there. And as you get to the first level, you find this reception space. You can appreciate the height of these ceilings with these exposed wooden beams, which are original and restored. Here we access to the 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This bathroom right here is serving the little bedroom or office. It can be either on that part over there, and it serves also the ground level. Right behind me, you access to one of the bedrooms. It is nice and spacious. It has at the entrance an office corner, and as you walk in, you have a walk-in wardrobe. You have the bedroom overlooking the outdoor space with its ensuite bathroom. Connecting the 3rd bedroom, we find this corridor, which is completely made out of glass, full of light. And in the winter time, it's really fun because you can be still in the house and at the same time you can admire the outdoor space as you go to the bedroom. Let's have a look. Here we have the 3rd bedroom. Similar in style, we have terracotta floors with a square shape. Very nice. The ceilings are sloped. We have air conditioning just like in the rest of the house and the buildings. And I love that on 3 sides there are these large windows overlooking the nature outside. In fact, it's full of natural light. There is radiators for heating, air conditioning for cooling, and an ensuite bathroom right here. And here we are ending today's property tour. What to say? I think it is an exquisite property, ideal for somebody that loves Italy and loves its green nature. It is ideal for an owner that is looking to have a property with a main house to live and enjoy, or also use as a holiday home, and to have separate buildings, guest houses to invite friends or other parts of the family to enjoy all of this beautiful outdoor space. It is a practical home, very concise, and at the same time immersed in nature but close to the first town with services. I hope you liked it. Please leave a comment below to share your thoughts and subscribe to Romolini for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!